The extradition of Kwon, who is often described by the media as the cryptocurrency king, was sought by both South Korea and the US on suspicion that he defrauded investors in the Luna and Terra cryptocurrencies of at least $40 billion. South Korea and the US was looking for Kwon in order to trial for grand larceny. Let's remember that the king of cryptocurrencies was arrested during a routine control at the airport in Montenegro when he tried to check in for a flight to Dubai. Kwon was arrested at the end of March 2023 at the airport in Podgorica, on a South Korean warrant. On June 16, 2023, he was convicted for forging a passport with which he intended to travel to Dubai on a private flight from Podgorica. The Constitutional Court of Montenegro concluded that the procedure that preceded the Constitutional Court was conducted in a way that ensured the applicant's right to a fair trial and did not call into question the possible violation of the right to family life. By decision of the Ministry of Justice of Montenegro, for the purpose of conducting criminal proceedings in the United States of America for criminal offenses, conspiracy to commit fraud in connection with a. the contract for the sale of goods, b. the purchase and sale of securities, and v. the transfer of interstate remittances, the criminal offense of fraud in connection with the contract for the purchase and sale of goods and aiding and abetting, the criminal offense of fraud in connection with the purchase and sale of goods,
securities, as well as aiding and abetting, the crime of electronic fraud and aiding and abetting, and the crime of conspiracy to commit fraud in connection with a contract for the purchase and sale of goods, b. the purchase and sale of securities, v. manipulation of the prices of securities, and g. the transfer of interstate remittances, announced the police directorate.
The Prime Minister of Montenegro, Miloško Spišić, announced on his X account that the extradition process has been successfully completed. Montenegro has successfully completed the process of extradition of wanted fugitive Kwon to the USA, confirming our commitment to the rule of law and international cooperation. At the same time, an end was put to pre-election manipulations and attempts to mount an affair, Spišić wrote. December 31, 2024, Kwon was turned over to United States law enforcement and FBI agents, it was announced from the police administration.